You are lifting that car. That is hilarious. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You lifted it though. Wow, let me try.
We ain't gonna one up the brother. Look at it, look at it.
You got it.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That was fun. This is a workout.
Ah, here we go. Queen doing sets, lifting cars, y'all.
See, now y'all know, don't be running up on the queen. You see what I'm saying? I'm lifting cars. Don't run up on the queen. Don't run up on the queen. As they say, now me, don't run up on the queen. Can you lift a car? You're so strong. The lever multiplies your strength many times, allowing you to lift a car weighing more than 2,500 pounds. And y'all saw that I did that 3 times. CJ, Omar coming for y'all. I'm coming for y'all. Now I'm just playing. But yeah, y'all don't get to have that to help you lift nothing, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know. That's fun though. Good workout for real. It says, give me a place to stand and a lever long enough and I will move the earth. Archimedes, 2020 BC.